Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I will share with you a really quick card that I created with dies from Diva Designs. I created this really fun card that is shaped like a beehive. Super sweet. But to start off, I took this really cute bees. It's actually called cute bees and it comes in 3 different sizes. You can see it up in my screen here how they will look when they are all assembled. I really love it, and you can see I'm using a pickup tool from Trinity just to help me with some of those smaller elements. I cut my bee out of black, out of glitter gold cardstock, and out of this really sort of honey gold shimmery cardstock. I will have these black eyes that also comes in this set, super sweet. And you can see the little mouth is actually etched into our face. I love that, I think that turned out so cute. And for the wings of my bee, I am using a gold vellum cardstock. So you can see here how cute that turned out. I love it, I think they are just the cutest. I hope I will get around to play with these some more and create them with other color combinations. So for the beehive itself, I cut it out of the same shimmery gold cardstock as I cut my face out of from my little bees. And then I also cut it out of some foam. And first off, I was thinking of creating a shaker card with this one, but I forgot to attach my vellum or acetate between these 2 layers. So I will actually realize that in a second. So I ended up not creating a shaker, but you could definitely do that with these dies. Instead, I created a shaped card. So I took the base piece of this die set, and then I just used my scoring tool and figure out the measurement for the card base itself. I folded it and then I will cut it to be in the correct size. I will save the rest of the paper and then I can run it through my machine, and then I run it through one more time with just some white cardstock and attaching that on top of my folded paper. So you can see here I have a shaped card. Really love that. For the background of this, I am using a collection from Simple Stories. This is the piece with that beautiful stitching. So on top of that I will take my beehive and just press it into place so we can have that on top. I think this is really turning out super sweet. Off camera I created a sentiment. This one comes from the Be Word set number 2 and it says be happy. And then I just took some foam to the back of my sweet bees here and then pressed them into place. So that was pretty much it for this video. I think this is maybe one of the quickest videos I have created in a long time, but it doesn't have to be harder than this to create a stunning shaped card with the dies from Diva Design. And these bees are just so adorable and they make the whole card really come together. So when I'm playing around with this, I'm making sure that I like how everything looks, so they are not like tilted all of them in the same like angle, because I think that looks funny. You can see those 2 are angled at the same angle. I will switch that in a second here so that one of them will be more standing up here. So now you can see it gives a more harmony to this card. So there we go, we have our shaped little beehive card done. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will have links down below and also my coupon code that gives you 10% off your purchase from Diva. I see you soon. Bye!